For this captivating video, I have utilized the powerful capabilities of Kaiber AI to generate an image of John Wick playing football. Here it generates these images. I have selected the most appealing image and saved it. Now, let's dive into the creative possibilities offered by Kaiber AI, an innovative AI creative lab dedicated to unlocking the potential of generative audio and video. To begin, I will click on the designated area to initiate the video creation process. I will upload the saved image and proceed to the next step, where I can choose a prompt. The description from the uploaded image will be automatically populated, or I can craft my own description or draw inspiration from the provided ideas. Next, I will select the desired style for the video creation. By clicking on a specific option, I can further customize the video's duration and camera movements to achieve a stable diffusion effect. Additionally, I have the option to upload background music to enhance the overall experience. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, previewing the frames. Generating these previews may take some time, but once they're ready, I can select from the 4 available frames. Each frame offers a unique perspective for the stable diffusion video. Once I've made my choice, I'll click on Create Video, and the system will commence the video generation process. Please note that video rendering may take a while. Once the video is ready, I can play it to see the stunning animation come to life. Finally, I can save the video to my device and share it with others. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible videos like this. Enjoy the seamless blend of artistry and technology, brought to you by Kaiber AI and Kaiber AI. Get ready to be captivated by the mesmerizing world of stable diffusion animations.